Hey guys, this is Aaron, and I just bought yesterday the Apple iPod Touch, and I am just so pleased with this product that I figured I'd just go ahead and give you guys a little tour. So this here is the Apple iPod Touch. This is the 8 gig. So it's a great app, cool features, a beautiful screen. I mean, just absolutely amazing. It does everything pretty much for you, sets up time and everything. I didn't have to do very much. I just plugged it up to my Mac and it did everything for me, obviously. So first off, I guess we'll start with the music. So it opens up with playlists. Of course, you can view your artists just like this. One of the coolest things that I like about it is it just goes at the pace of your finger. So if you want to scroll down, I mean, you can literally give it a good whip and you might be able to get it all the way through from A to Z. But that's a pretty cool feature, I think. So you can go ahead and click your music if you want to listen to selected pieces. You can turn it here to the side and view your album art. So I don't have very much, but there's a song right there. So looking at your album art, you can actually look at what you have from that album. So I'm going to look at Sean Kingston here. I have 2 songs from him, so I want to play that one right there. It goes ahead and plays it, and you can use it, you can see it. Wow, this is very loud. Play the next song if you were viewing songs, of course. Go to the next song, and you can see all sorts of options by looking at that album there. You can go back, and it has all the basic features from the iPod. So now I guess we can go ahead and go back, and while listening to music I can actually view my photos, which is pretty cool. Just like all the other apps, you can look at photos in the side view, but first off I should go back and show you how you can also pan down just like that, which is actually pretty cool, and select a photo. You can play. If you tap it, you can play so that it'll just go through and show you all the photos at a standard pace, or you can just flip through them yourself, which I think is a pretty cool feature. So I'm gonna go back, and I guess I should show you the zoom. That's also pretty cool. So I don't know, go pick a cool picture. Oops, my fault. So looking at this at the side view, we want to click this, and of course you can pan and you can zoom in and out, or you can also tap. So if you want to see something up close, double tap that and it will zoom in for you. So that's pretty cool. Going back to the main menu, by pressing this button, let's see, you can look at Safari. Of course it has Wi-Fi, which is the biggest feature. You can look at the internet here, so it links with your bookmarks to your Safari on your Mac. So it's definitely helpful to do that. That way you can just bring up everything you usually go to. So I don't see any of my bookmarks. Oh, wait, sorry. There are my bookmarks. So there I can go to my site, and it's pretty fast in my opinion. Some people are saying that it's slow, but it's fast in my opinion. One of the coolest features that I found is that I can actually go on here and look at some news. Open up CNN, and it goes to their homepage. Or I can actually open up the New York Times and look at articles. So I want to scroll down, I find an article I like there. I see a preview of the article right there. I can click that article and read. It'll go to their internet site. I don't know what that is, an advertisement or something. Whatever, I guess we'll go back and click another article. So usually it opens up right to the article. I can double click right there on the article. It'll zoom in and it clears up, and you can just pan down and read the entire article, which is pretty cool. I read an article last night on, I don't know, something random, but it was cool to just see that. You can look at different pages you have opened up. So click that page. This is my YouTube homepage there. So you can actually, zoom in just like this. That's an awesome feature. I think that's pretty cool. And you can just move the page to the side. You can click a video, and of course that video will open. And of course, since this is YouTube, of course it's what opens up in web page format. But if you press your home page and you actually go to YouTube, you see all your bookmarks, all the standard stuff. It's actually tailored to YouTube so that you can look at everything that's featured here. You can see what's most viewed. You can look at your bookmarks. That's my iMac tour. And you can search. So here I've already searched my name, and we can click one of my videos, and of course you can see your videos in full widescreen. So that's pretty awesome right there. It has all the standard features. I don't think I need to go over that. It loads, and it doesn't take all that long. It works just like an iPhone. It shows you when you hit back or done. It shows you the description and whatnot, and some related videos. It's just a pretty cool way that they set up YouTube. I guess it's done exactly the same for the iPhone. And we'll go back and look at Calendar. Now, if you hook this up to your Mac, I'm sure you can also download Calendar to your PC. It will synchronize with your calendar so that you can look at what's going on, events and whatnot. I don't use Calendar, but whatever. So you can also check out your contacts, of course, and again that syncs. And I don't use that though. Clock is pretty cool. You can actually add different locations. And by the way, I think I should note that I'm doing all this, of course, while listening to my music. And let's see, you can just add different clocks. You have alarms down here, and when you set an alarm, your music beautifully pans down and plays your alarm to inform you of whatever you set the alarm for. Has stopwatch, of course, which is pretty cool, and of course a timer, which is also pretty cool. Set a timer. And let's see what some other features there are. Of course, it has your settings. You can look at the different Wi-Fi networks. Hopefully they're not locked, and you can go to Starbucks or whatever and sync with Starbucks. Pretty soon they're going to have Starbucks wired to where you can listen to the music actually on your iPod Touch, which is pretty awesome. And you can actually download the music right from the store. You can check out the brightness, and you can look at all the other settings for whatever. Let's see, you can go to iTunes and literally download music from wherever you are. As long as you're hooked up to the Wi-Fi, you can look at the featured music, what's hot, genres, top artists, and literally see all your downloads. And that's pretty cool. You can download directly from wherever you are. And the final feature I guess I'll talk about is your videos, which is most important to me. You can compress your videos so that they can be viewed, and I don't know, it's just an awesome feature that you can actually view your videos in full widescreen so that you can show them to your friends there. So I don't know, this is the Apple iPod Touch, and I definitely don't regret buying this. I wanted it so that I can look at so that I can use the iTunes radio, but unfortunately they don't allow that. And I told myself that I would give it back if it didn't work, but I cannot bring myself to do so. It's just an awesome buy, and I definitely recommend it for anyone who has an iPod and who wants to be interactive with their iPod. The 8 gig iPod Touch is $300, but like I said, it was worth it for me. It's a beautiful product. And if you like it, I just definitely tell you to go buy it. And I'm not giving it back. So this is the iPod Touch.